everything. So one of the best things is to get a reciprocating saw and just cut it like butter through all the nails. And let's go there now. Crowbar or anything, see what happens.
That's what.
Cutting through all the nails, that way we can remove the frame. Now the new door already comes with the frame, so if we can remove all this, we can just set the entire thing right on. Putting it in there and kind of like no, just put it deep enough so that way you can support from the 2x4.
How's that?
That's good enough. There you go. Okay, I can hold it. Try to cut this here.
Do you want me to do that?
Yeah.
All right. Here.
Well, unless you want to hold it.
I don't mind holding it. What do you want to do?
Actually, you cut it because I'm doing this. Okay. Okay, do it slowly. Don't force it on me. Yeah, don't put it all the way because it's going to hit on the back.
Want to just
down
cut
there.
those, I see, and remove the whole thing? It'd remove the whole door frame while we're at it.
You know what?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right,
Let's
hey,
just go ahead
let's
and
get
do
with
that. There you go.
Wait, is that fierro not
Any
attached?
nails on there?
Yeah, they're coming off though with it.
Okay.
Oh,
Hey, that was easier.
because it's not attached to it.
No, it was. Look.
This. I'll tell you right now. Yeah.
There, it went right through. One down.
And then just kind of.
Okay, take that out, then we can remove the other one from there.
See what I mean?
Yeah.
See, it's all together.
Something.